Good morning, students. Welcome to ABN and PRR College online classes. Today we will discuss some more applications of Cauchy's second theorem on limits. Coming to the question, if A is positive and is less than or equal to B, then we want to prove that limit of A power n plus B power n to the power of 1 by n when n tending to infinity is the biggest value among these two values. What is the biggest value? B. So that limit value is B. On observation, we have two relations in between A and B. That is, A is equal to B and A is less than B. So solution also consisting two cases, because in the first case we have A equal to B and the second case A is less than B. What happens? Let us discuss. Before going to discussing this, remember the limits. Limit of r power n when n tending to infinity is 0 provided r value is less than 1. That means r value is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, whatever it value is less than 1. Then only r power n limit value is 0. This is the one of the important limit to derive this problem. And second limit is r power 1 by n limit when n tending to infinity is 1. If r is more than 1, r వాల్యూ ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు r పవర్ 1 by n nth రూట్ ఆఫ్ n కింద కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు మీరు దీన్ని. r పవర్ 1 by n మీన్స్ nth రూట్ ఆఫ్ r. సింప్లీ nth రూట్ ఆఫ్ n లిమిట్ ఎంత అవుతుందండి? మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో డెరైవ్ చేసాం. దట్ వాల్యూ ఈస్ 1. ఈ రెండు లిమిట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు ద ప్రాబ్లం. Case 1. Case 1 lo, let us suppose that A value is less than B. Whenever A value is less than B, by dividing both sides with B, we get A by B is less than 1. Isn't it? That means limit of A by B whole power n when n tending to infinity is of the form r power n. R power n limit. What is this value? Obviously 0. Remember this. Okay. Let Sn is equal to A power n plus B power n. Obviously this is a sequence of positive terms. Then its consecutive term Sn plus 1 is obtained by replacing n by n plus 1 in the nth term. Now consider the ratio value. What is the ratio value? Sn plus 1 by Sn, which is equal to A power n plus 1 plus B power n plus 1 by A power n plus B power n. Let us simplify the value of Sn plus 1 by Sn. Common the value B power n plus 1 in the numerator and B power n in the denominator. We get the value is like this. A by B whole power n plus 1 plus 1. By denominator we have B power n into A by B whole power n plus 1. This can be written as B power n into B power n, B power n get cancelled. Then the value of this ratio is B into A by B whole power n into A by B. Because the bases are same, powers are added, we can obtain A by B whole power n plus 1 plus 1 by A by B whole power n plus 1. This is the ratio value. Now consider the limit when n tending to infinity of this ratio. This is nothing but limit of this quantity when n tending to infinity. This is equal to B into, what is this limit value? Is nothing but 0. 0 into A by B plus limit of 1 is 1 by A by B whole power n limit is again 0 plus 1 limit is 1. Because constant limits obtained are same, we know that. This is equal to B into 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, which is equal to B into 1 by 1 is equal to B. In this case proof is ratio limit is b. Let it be 2. From 1 we have the sequence is having positive terms. From 2 it is having ratio limit is b. From 1 to and by Cauchy's second theorem on limits, what happens? Limit of nth root of Sn is also b when n tending to infinity. That is, limit of Sn to the power of 1 by n when n tending to infinity is b, which implies what is Sn here? A power n plus b power n to the power of 1 by n limit and n tending to infinity is b. In this case, we prove the result what we want. ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నాడో అది ప్రూవ్ చేయగలిగాం. ఇక సెకండ్ కేస్కి వచ్చినట్లయితే, కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్ కేస్, ఇఫ్ a is equal to b, then what happens? A power n value is also equal to same as b power n. Now Sn is a power n plus b power n, which is equal to, what is this value? b power n. b power n plus b power n. This can be written as 2 into b power n. 2 times it is added. Now limit of Sn when n tending to infinity is limit of Sn to the power of 1 by n. Its value is 2b power n whole power n. What is the question asked? Power 1 by n. So power 1 by n when n tending to infinity, which is equal to limit of 2 power 1 by n, b power n 1 by n get cancelled, b when n tending to infinity. Since b is independent of this limit, because limit is depends on n, take out of the limit into limit of 2 power 1 by n when n tending to infinity. R power 1 by n limit tends to 1 when r is more than 1. Here r value is 2 more than 1, so its value is 1. b into 1 is b. Here also, what is Sn here? A power n plus b power n to the power of 1 by n when n tending to infinity, limit value is b. From case 1 and case 2, it is clear that limit of a power n plus b power n to the power of 1 by n when n tending to infinity is b, which is the biggest value. ఆసెట్ బిట్స్కి వచ్చినట్లయితే దీని అప్లికేషన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయంటే 2 పవర్ n ప్లస్ 3 పవర్ n హోల్ పవర్ 1 by n లిమిట్ ఎంత అండి అని అడుగుతూ ఉండొచ్చు. దెన్ దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ అమాంగ్ దీస్ టూ a and b. a value is 2, b value is 3. Among these two, b value is the biggest one, so answer is 3. Which one is the biggest one? Then that is the answer of this limit. Remember this. Okay, thank you.